Namaste everybody. Today I shall be teaching you the pronunciation of the word THE, which is a definite article when it comes before words which begin with a consonant, rather when it has a consonant sound. So there is only one rule to be followed for it. When THE comes before a consonant sound, it is pronounced as the. THUH is the pronunciation. Now I have written a set of words both in singular and plural nouns, and which are also concrete nouns. So the words are boy boys, cat cats, dog dogs, fish fishes, pen pens. So when THE comes before these, we have to pronounce it as the boys, the boy, the cats, the cat, the dogs, the dog, the fishes, the fish, the pens, the pen. So here we can see that boy, cat, dog, fish, pen, these are singular plus concrete nouns, and boys, cats, dogs, fishes, pens, these are plural and concrete nouns. Now we can also use THE before pronouns also, and this is because we use it before nouns. We can also use THE before proper noun, which are known as sobriquet, SOBRIQUET, or moniker, MONIKER. So sobriquet or moniker is a type of proper noun, which means these are the names by which a person becomes famous or is known more well by these names rather than his or her real names. This can be names of places also, any events also. Okay, so we have to pronounce it as the Dalai Lama, the Mahatma Gandhi, which is a singular and proper noun. So as you can see, I have put a tick mark when I have written the Dalai Lama, the Mahatma. But we cannot say the Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, so I have put a red cross after it. Why we cannot say? Because THE, although it means particular things, persons and places, the particular names of persons are not their proper nouns but the sobriquet or moniker. But there is an exception to the rule. Suppose Tendulkar. So he is a batsman, he is an Indian batsman, a very good cricketer. So he is given the sobriquet or the moniker, the little master. So if we have to compare his quality or talent with other person, we can use THE before his original name. So here's an example. He is the Sachin Tendulkar of our class, or he is not the Sachin Tendulkar of our class. So instead of using the word he is the little master of our class, which is the sobriquet, little master is the sobriquet, we use the Sachin Tendulkar instead of it. So once more I am recapitulating. You should remember THE is pronounced as the when it comes before vowel sounds. THE is pronounced as the when it comes before consonant sounds. And the most important thing which we need to remember is that we should not be concerned about the spellings of the words which follow THE. We should be concerned about the pronunciation, because sometimes what happens, even though a word begins with a consonant sound, the pronunciation is that of a vowel. That is, I can say HOURLY. Although it begins with the consonant H, it is pronounced with O sound, hourly. Similarly, words which have its beginning with a vowel like university, but it does not have a pure vowel sound, but it has a double vowel sound, or vowel sounds which are intermediate. And if we pronounce the word university slowly, we'll get the pronunciation EU. So we don't say the university, but we say the university. So I hope this lesson helps you out in knowing how to pronounce THE when it comes before a vowel sound and a consonant sound. Thank you so much.